Gugikinyiria mathaa ma miaraho andu makiria ma 28 ni megwikinyitie thibitari-ini uyu wa Ngaira kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kwamukira motungata ma urigiti maria mekuheanagwo gutari marihi. Andu aya ni aria matungirio nguraro cia rithathi ni mabitha a borithi mari mirurungano-ini, na kuringana na gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia muingi ni ati makoretwo makinyitanira na thibitari itiganite cia thirikari gutangikira arwaru acio. Umwe wa aria matungirio nguraro ici atariirie aguraririo ni rithathi guoko kwa umotho, undu uria watumire aremwo ni kwikira maundu kuona maita maingi akoragwo akimatha utungata wa urigiti.
Another patient I've seen, 26 years of age, male, who got a gunshot on the right arm, on the right upper limb, and it went straight into his bone, his humerus. The bone was broken. So he was taken to Kenyatta, whereby he was put an external fixator for the bone.
Umepigwa risasi. Sasa akili yangu ikaniambia, nikawauliza na nyuma nani amenipiga risasi na nyuma na hakuna mtu huko. Ndio mmoja akaona tena ishi mwingine. Nilipigwa hapa ikatoka na hapa nyuma. Mmoja akaona huko shima akasema pani umepigwa huku imetoka na huku.
Kuringana na arigitani thibitari-ini uyu andu aria othe megwikinyitie ni mamukirire motungata ma ugima wa meciria. Arigitani magitariria utungata uyu uheanagwo mahinda kwa mahinda niguo gutigirira aria mahutirio ni magia na mweke wa kuhona.
Sasa nikasikia tu hiyo gari venye ilisimama, nikasikia mmoja anasema shoot, na mimi sikujua ni mimi. Mimi nilikuwa tu peke yangu nikitaka kuingia mahali naingia. Kasikia tu mkono imekufa hapo hivi.
Our intervention will now be based on follow-up for these survivors. What we do, we offer medical rehabilitation through network of hospitals we have in the country.
Imulu hamwe noguo ikoretwo igitabania motungata maya icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi, o hamwe na kuhura njeki andu aria maguraritio na matire na uhoti wa kwirugamirira.
We send them to the psychological side, at least they take them through. And of course, even from Kenyatta, they've undergone already some counselings.
We will ensure that these survivors of police brutality get the medical care they need to help them get into good health. We also offer psychosocial support services for the survivors and their families.
Kirifotera Kameme TV, Geto wa Boi wa Jogona.